Hi, we are Techno Exponent and we can help you on your project. Going through your job details, we have understand that you need an application for booking personal trainers. Here, trainer can create their profile, they can manage their availability, they can accept or decline booking request, as well as customer also can create profile, they can search for their personal trainers based on the location, name, gym, etc. They can also book trainers and directly pay the trainers by using the app, using the payment gateways. They can manage the booking and view the timetables as well for their training sessions. There is also will be a chat functionality between trainer and customer, and will be a email or push notification as well. Well, I'm more than happy to tell you that we will be definitely able to help you regarding your project. With over 8 years of experience, we have pursued projects on technologies including React Native, Firebase, Objective-C, Swift, PHP, MySQL, etc. and many more. And we have an experienced development team working behind us, which will make your project a success. So here in this video, I will be briefing about some of our recently developed applications which are relevant to your project. So let's begin. So the first application which I will show you is Doji. It is a teacher finding application. Here user can register themselves and as well as they can connect via Facebook or LinkedIn profiles as well. If he is a new user, then he have to register with us by clicking on register, and user can register as there is a 3 types of registering options. User can register as a teacher, as a student, and as well as an institute. Then have to provide their first name, last name and the mandatory fields, and then click to the register button. Or user can directly put their username and password if they are already a registered user. So let me just quickly log in into the system. So here I have logged in as a student, and after successful logging in, student will access this dashboard and see the batch list. So here from the home section, student can find the tutor. Like, just give me an example. So user have to just select a course, then have to select the city, and after that have to select a subject. Suppose I am selecting this, and after that click onto the search button. So after clicking onto the search button, a search result will appear, which will show the best suitable teachers in that area, and user can select from one of these. So after selecting this, the teacher's detail will appear, and user can see the teacher who can teach which subject, and also offering the course and the qualification of the teacher as well. So here also the class details provided, the batch location also provided, and the batch days which are allotted are also provided, and the fees, admission fees, monthly fees, all are provided in details. So student can directly enroll from here by clicking on this enroll button, and they can mention the date. So here is the timetable view will open, and here I am selecting a time and then click onto this pay now option. So after clicking onto this pay now option, direct payment gateway will appear. For this payment part we have used Stripe payment gateway, and user can directly pay from here and can make payment as well. So these are the payment methods available: debit card, net banking, cash, or mobile payments, Paytm wallet, UPI wallet, etc. And there is also option provided contact, where user can directly contact by providing their name, contact number and email ID, and just click on to the submit. So a direct mail will be provided to the teacher that the student has tried to contact to that teacher. So this is the main feature of this application. So after enrolling into a batch, a student can see the batches from this my batches section, and there are also reward point system provided here. User can directly contact to the teacher through this Doji application from his contact us portion, and also some FAQs are answered here. So here user can also log in as a teacher, as I have shown you earlier, and as an institute as well. So these are few of the features of this application, and this application has many more features. As you can see, to keep the video short, I cannot explain all this to you, and I request you to please check all the features thoroughly by just quickly logging in into the application. Now moving on to our next project, this is Clock In. It is an online timesheet management application where an organization can log in and can manage their employees. So this is a paid application. As you can see, a free trial version is going on, and in order to achieve all the functionalities of this application, user have to subscribe into this app. So for subscription part, we have used Stripe Payment Gateway, and there are three subscription options provided here. So from this live look section, an organization can see who is presently working in. So as no one is clocked in, so this is showing that everyone is clocked out. From this clock in section, employee can directly clock in into the system by just selecting a job code. Here let me just select a job code first. So I am selecting a job code, and then I have to update the location by just simply clicking on this update location button, and the auto location will be detected by the real-time location service system, and just simply click on to this clock in button. So after clicking on this clock in button, a message will appear which will show that the user has successfully clocked in. So after a successful clocking in, there will be a live timer going on which will calculate the current day and week time of the presently logged in or presently clocked in employee. So we can implement this timer feature in your application as well. So you employee can directly clock out from the system from clicking this clock out button, and after that a message will show that the employee has successfully clocked out. So a employee report can be generated from here by selecting a employee first and then selecting the start date and selecting the end date. So after selecting all of these, user need or organization need to just put this, click onto the search button, and after clicking onto the search button, that particular employee's report will be generated, which will show the break time, working time and total details, and which the organization can download it as a PDF format by just simply send report option. So these are some of the features of this application which will be useful to your application as well. So I have shown this application, and this application has many more features, and you can just simply log in into the system and check out. Now moving on to our next project, this is All Public Art. It is the most successful app we have developed till date, and its launching news was published by the prestigious newspaper of Los Angeles named the Los Angeles Times. I have provided the news link along with the project link in the description, and I request you to please check out. So this application is basically an art marketplace app for art lovers where user can share the love of art. So from this application, user can scroll through various kind of artworks. They can select a particular artwork, and they can also like on it, comment on it, and as well as can share the artwork in their social media accounts. So user can like on it by clicking on this button, and this is the comment portion. Just simply click comment on this application, and this is the app artwork. So user also can post a artwork directly from here by clicking on this post button. After clicking on this post button, the required fields will appear which the user need to fill first, and then provide the location. But this location part is not mandatory, and then just click onto this post button. So the artwork will be posted into their home screen. And there is also another interesting feature, which is this chat feature, for which I am showing you this application. For this chat feature, we have used socket.io and Firebase database for real-time chat experience. So this is the example of a successful conversation between two users, as you can see. So this application has another interesting feature, which is from this Finder section, I can see my nearby artworks location. So by this Finder section, the device's location service system will detect my present location and will detect also my nearby artworks location. So as you can identify, this red dot is my this red dot is my present location, and this yellow dot is my nearby artworks location. So by clicking on this yellow dot, I will be directly redirected to that artworks location. So now this red dot is the nearby artworks location. So these are some features of this application which we can implement in your application as well. to search the nearby trainers for the customers. And this application has many more features. As you can see, a 360-degree view of an image can be generated. User can also invite friends by directly sharing this application's link, and they can also follow people through this application, and many more. And I request you to please check out all the details by just simply clicking on the link which I have provided in the description part. So these are few of our applications which we have developed recently, and we have developed many more, and we will be more than happy to share those with you if got an opportunity. So with our experience, I am totally confident that we can make your project a success. So I do hope we really get the opportunity to work together in the near future. So thanks for watching this video and have a great day.